In this video right here, I'm going to show you how to live stream to multiple platforms at the same time using Melon. Let's go. If you're not familiar with what multi-streaming is, let me catch you up really quick. All it simply is, it allows you, the broadcaster, to stream to multiple platforms at once. The benefit of this is it allows you to reach a wider audience, giving you the ability to strengthen and broaden your community across which brands and platforms may resonate most with you and your audience. The nice thing about Melon when it comes to multi-streaming is everything's computed in the cloud, so there's less stress on your computer, so this way you can concentrate on your stream and audience. Let me show you how to set it up so that way you can start doing it right away. When it comes to multi-streaming with Melon, it's part of the Pro plan, where you also get awesome benefits like customization options, higher quality streams, unlimited streaming, and more. To multi-stream, we need to connect the platforms that you want to stream to. You can do this by going to the settings in the top right corner. If you need to connect a different account to a platform, simply click the X and reconnect. Now you can click Go Live and select all the platforms where you want to stream to. Once you click them, they will be highlighted. Simply click Next and add your title and the description of your stream. And that's all there is. Multi-streaming can seem a little overwhelming because there's multiple things going on at once, but we showed you how to easily set it up. And remember all the benefits you get with multi-streaming. Multi-streaming is incredible because it gets your message to more people via the cloud servers. You can log into Melon with any account, but make sure that you connect and authorize Melon access to multiple streaming destinations. Then all you have to do is click live and select which platforms you want to stream to. See, like I told you, it's super simple. Now, if you want to start using Melon to the best of its abilities, gonna do you a favor and throw a couple of videos here up on screen that's gonna take you to deeper inner workings of Melon, so that way each stream can be unique for your viewing audience. As always, my name's Wild, take care, and of course, peace.